Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn kanji fast. Start by focusing on the most frequently used kanji, perhaps the first 100 to 200 characters. Understanding radicals, the fundamental components of kanji, will significantly accelerate your learning process. Integrate a spaced repetition system into your study routine. This method is incredibly effective for long-term memorization and recall. Consistency is key to building a strong foundation. To truly master kanji, develop unique mnemonics or short stories for each character. This personal connection makes them much easier to recall. Consistent writing practice is crucial. It helps solidify the stroke order and visual recognition in your mind. Furthermore, always learn kanji within the context of actual vocabulary words. This approach not only expands your word bank, but also shows you how kanji function in real Japanese sentences. Immerse yourself in Japanese by reading materials such as manga, children's books, or simplified news articles. This exposure helps you recognize kanji in natural settings. Seek opportunities to engage with native speakers. Observing how they use kanji in conversation can provide valuable insights. Crucially, establish a consistent review schedule for all previously learned kanji. Regular reinforcement is essential to ensure that your knowledge remains strong and accessible over time. For advanced learning, group kanji that appear similar to one another and meticulously identify their subtle distinctions. This practice sharpens your recognition skills and prevents confusion. Make full use of digital dictionaries. They offer instant lookups, stroke order animations, and example sentences, which are invaluable tools. And for an even better reading experience, consider a portable e-reader. Check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals, to support your language journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.